Refusing to give in. Good evening, everyone. I'm Steve Hensley. Rowan County Clerk Kim Davis is still in jail after a judge found her in contempt of court yesterday. Here's the latest. A federal judge offered her a compromise. She would be released if she allowed her deputy clerks to issue marriage licenses. Davis refused. She was then taken to the Carter County Detention Center, where she will stay until she complies with the judge's ruling. Now, after months of waiting, same-sex couples in Rowan County are now able to get marriage licenses. Crowds gathered early this morning. We were there as the first couple walked in shortly after the courthouse opened. 5 of the 6 deputy clerks have agreed to comply with the judge's ruling. The lone holdout was Davis's son, Nathan. WYMT's Garrett Weimer gives us the latest from Rowan County.
We got it! Finally!
April Miller and Karen Roberts' 4th try to get a marriage license ended differently than their previous attempts.
Yeah, now we
relief.
can breathe a little relief. I'm still ecstatic and happy, and I just can't wait to get married now.
Miller and Roberts were the 3rd same-sex couple to get their license here today.
James, you'll sign here. William will sign here for me, okay?
William Smith Jr. and James Yates were the first to walk through the doors shortly after the office opened.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you so much.
Getting a marriage license on their 6th try.
It felt good. It felt like change was happening. And, you know, this was the hard part, really, that
we didn't feel like second-class citizens anymore.
Right.
The marriage licenses issued to the couples do not have Davis's name on them. A deputy clerk tells us in the past, Davis would type in her name when the license was issued. In her absence, it's that deputy clerk's name that you'll find on the marriage license as the acting county clerk. The couples say it doesn't make any difference to them.
It does not have her signature or her name on this marriage license. Okay, but we got it.
And that, they say, is what matters most to them. In Rowan County, Garrett Weimer, WYMT Mountain News.
The couple says their next step is to decide on a wedding date. Republican presidential candidate Mike Huckabee says he plans to visit Kim Davis in jail. Next Tuesday, Huckabee plans to hold a rally with her supporters outside the Carter County Detention Center. Huckabee set up a campaign website calling for Davis's release, and more than 55,000 people signed their names. Huckabee called Davis's case an example of, quote, criminalization of Christianity in our country. That leads us to tonight's web poll. We want to know if you agree with U.S. District Judge David Bunning ordering Rowan County Clerk Kim Davis to jail. You can vote now on WYMT.com. We'll have the final results Monday on First at 4. Now, earlier this afternoon, Davis's attorneys met with her at the jail and held a news conference shortly after. WYMT's Victor Puente was there, where a crowd gathered outside to support Davis. He continues our team coverage.
Kim Davis's attorneys say she spent last night in isolation in cell 151 here at the Carter County Detention Center. Despite being incarcerated, they say she's at peace with the decision she made yesterday in federal court.
She slept with a very good conscience, and she was in very good spirits.
Staver and several other attorneys spent about an hour visiting with Davis. She's been here since telling a federal judge she would not issue marriage licenses.
It has stunned the American people. It has shocked me. We did not anticipate that we would be here with Kim Davis in an orange jumpsuit.
Staver says Davis is unable to attach her name to same-sex marriage licenses. He says she also has no intention of quitting her job.
She has no intention of stepping down because she loves her people and loves the job, and she intends to serve them well.
As for the licenses her clerks issued today,
it is our position and the position of the clerk of Rowan County, Kim Davis, that those licenses are void. They are not being issued under the authority of Rowan County Clerk's Office, and they're not worth the paper that they are written on.
Staver says they're filing paperwork this evening to appeal Judge David Bunning's decision to send Davis to jail, but he says he's not sure how long she may be here. In Carter County, Victor Puente, WYMT Mountain News.
A rally is planned at the jail tomorrow in support of Davis.